Hey, good morning. It is Friday morning, the 16th day of October. We have made it. We're still in the warm air right now, but there is a frontal system. See this line of clouds just north of here, just north of us? Yeah, that's the cold front itself. So back in the 80s again today. However, we're in the mid 50s this morning, so not quite as cool as the last couple of mornings. We have a lot of ground to cover, but I try to make these within 2 minutes so that you can have it with your toast and coffee in the morning. Here we go. We're still mild in our area on the current temperature map, but look at the 20s and 30s up there in the Dakotas and the upper Midwest. The big cold high is now centered around the, let's say, the Black Hills of South Dakota at the moment and dropping on south. You see that line of clouds north of us? That's the front itself in Tennessee. Frost advisories tonight as far south as portions of Kentucky and northern Tennessee. Even a little line of showers still in central Tennessee, but it'll dry out. I think the front dries out as it comes into our region. There's the front by late afternoon around the Dothan area. Breezy and cool as the front moves down to around Tampa, Florida on Saturday. Should be a nice day around the southeastern U.S., though. High temperatures today, I think we're still around 87 in Montgomery. We had 87 yesterday, but look at the 70s farther to the north with the cooler air starting to nose in. And there's tomorrow's map for highs. We're talking about low 70s here. Low 60s in North Alabama, 50s in the Great Smoky Mountains. The coldest morning will be Sunday morning with that big cold high just north of us. So I think we'll be in the low to mid 40s here, but look at the 30s in North Alabama on Sunday morning. So a hot day today with a high around 87. Breezy, cool. I think we're at 73 tomorrow. This is my forecast. Sunday morning, I think we start at 45, but Sunday night we fall to 44. If you're going to the Autauga County Fair in Prattville tonight, temperatures start off around 80 at 6 o'clock and fall to the 70s. There's Bailey watching me make this video. Bailey, we're about 1 hour from your walk. Now here's next Thursday with a sort of a dry front coming into the Memphis area, but we're watching the southwestern Gulf of Mexico, the Bay of Campeche. The GFS has low pressure, broad low pressure down there. And then the GFS now wants to take this as a tropical storm on Sunday up around Galveston and the Houston area. So that the GFS has shifted farther to the west. The Euro is sticking by its guns, still saying maybe a tropical storm off the Louisiana coast Sunday. Then moving on east, we'll have to watch that. So that's the European idea. There's one more global model. That's the Canadian. We don't put much stock in the Canadian, but like the Euro, it shows maybe a tropical storm off the Louisiana coast. This time it has it Saturday, and then Sunday it wants to bring it into central Alabama. Again, that's the Canadian. We're just looking. It's just trying to get some model ideas. We don't fall back this weekend. In fact, we're 2 weekends away. Sunday, November 1st is the day that we fall back and we go back to standard time. And let me emphasize, great football weather around the southeastern U.S. this weekend, including places like College Station, Texas. Troy, you got a big day in Troy with homecoming, including the parade and the game later in the day as well. So the weather should be great. I hope you have a fabulous Friday and a great weekend. I'll talk to you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.